In this video, we're going to go from this, oh man, to this. This video I'm going to be actually replacing the bezel. I've previously replaced the door lock, but I snapped a clip on here. So I purchased another bezel and painted it, and as you can see, it looks terrible. I don't like it. It's really glossy, so I found an original one. So I'm actually going to swap out the bezel, but in that process, you'll see how to replace the switches as well. It's good to have a tool like this and 3 or 4 screwdrivers. The way this comes out is pop open this side first and then kind of rock out that side and unplug everything. Start right up here and slowly try to get that turkey out of there. There we go. And we got to unplug everything, push in the little clip right here, plug that. I'll go ahead and plug this one first. Okay, there's the power door lock switch. And lastly, this one right here. There we go. Now next I'm going to go ahead and remove all the switches because these are good and I want to use them in my other bezel. Right here's the little tabs. There's 2 on the door lock switch and then 4 on the power window switches. So what I do is works better to start with the back one and put a screwdriver in like so to unhook it. Then use a second screwdriver to unhook the other one like so, and then pull it out. Okay, then next I'll do the power windows. Same concept like so. That's what I'm doing, is kind of pushing right here. Just push it on out. There we go. Pull that out. There's the old bezel. Again, this is where they hook in at. And these are the hooks that are about breaking. Okay, now as they say, reverse and reinstall. Put that back in. Put that one in. Like so, and plug these guys in. Put that in. Put that in. Okay, test it before I get it all back together. Okay, now simply just kind of rock it back in. Put stuff in. So. There we go. If you like this video, select a like down there and subscribe if you would. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to it and who knows, maybe the next one you'll like. Thank you for watching.